Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm a little bit frustrated with myself because I did this unboxing, and in the unboxing that I recorded, you would see my excitement. This was a gift from CSG on Instagram, Chris Garcia, but his Instagram is CSG. He's a big time true cactus collector in my opinion. He has some really cool looking cactuses, and I deleted the footage. I deleted the footage of me unboxing this, and I'm so frustrated. The reason I deleted it by mistake was because another unboxing that I did that I had already uploaded was on the same table, and you could only see the little screen when you're deleting. So I deleted the videos, and that's what happened. So I'm so bummed, and my apologies, guys, because I don't know. First impressions I think are awesome when you get a gift in the mail. So yeah, I am truly sorry, but I'm still really happy to share this with you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So he sent me as a gift 3 cactuses. He says we became good friends to Instagram. Plants bring people together. So yeah, let me show you this one. I don't know the name of this one, but this one's really cool looking. I obviously planted it because after I did the video, that's what I did. This one had roots, so I was able to do that. Really cool. These spikes don't hurt you. I know they look scary, but no, they're like paper. And it's just a really cool, unique looking plant. So I'm super happy to add it to my collection. And then, guys, when I opened this, well, everything was wrapped, so I couldn't see what I was getting, but you can already see, right? Because I already had opened it. This has already been days already, possibly even a week, because I had asked him about this cactus. When should I plant it? He told me to go ahead and wait a little bit longer to plant it, and that's what I did. So I'm ready to go ahead and pot this beauty up. So I just wanted to show you guys this beautiful, amazing looking cactus. Look at that. It's beautiful. I love these lines here. I love the color. I love the color of the spikes. And then here, how they have that little shadowing. It's so cool looking. Like somebody painted this. That's what it looks like off of a painting, So I really love the uniqueness of this cactus. To me, it's really unique. I really love it. So I'm excited to plant it up. And then I think these are some types of euphorbia. I'm not sure what they are, but I'm also excited to have them in my collection as well. And they need to be potted up so that they can have a chance to root and hydrate. Because when they don't have roots, obviously they start to take in their own nutrients. So yeah, I need to plant these already. But anyways, so yeah, I'm so sorry I deleted that. So I just wanted to share it with you guys before I potted it up. I just want to thank him again. Also, look at the time that he put into this box. This box is wrapped completely on duct tape, and it has some cool looking drawings that he did. So CSG, thank you so much. And guys, forgive me for deleting that video. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and insert a clip of me planting up some propagations that I did. I cut a bunch of plants that I think needed some rescuing, or I just wanted to multiply, and I planted them, and they're in the greenhouse. So I want to go ahead and share that clip with you guys as well in this video. So I would just let you guys go after that. I'm just gonna say goodbye, and have a blessed day, guys. Enjoy the clip. Hey guys, so as you guys seen, I've been working on cleaning the yard and the area and the garden and all the plants. I've already told you guys I've lost several plants. So right now what I'm doing is I've just beheaded a bunch of them that just were not looking too good, and I beheaded them to see if I can keep them in the greenhouse until fall. This one here I beheaded. This was this beautiful cubic frost. It got so heavy it flopped over, so I just went ahead and cut it off. I can also trim some of these babies off, but I'm gonna wait until they get bigger. So I'm leaving this in here in the greenhouse, and there's a mess. I have several things that I'm trying to do today. As you can see, I'll date all my videos so you can see how much time I've been really able to dedicate to the garden. You know, I do some stuff, then I have to stop because it gets so hot, or just, you know, things that I need to do, life that I need to do, so I have to stop and do those things. But it's afternoon now, and I'm here, and I'm trying to plant a few of my cuttings that I'll be keeping in the greenhouse for now. Hopefully they do well. I feel like time is going by so fast that fall will be just around the corner. So hopefully these will be able to go out soon. So here's this big beauty right here. Take some of the leaves. I saw that it was starting to lose many of its leaves, and then also it was getting these black little dots here, but obviously it was a lot more on the other leaves that I've removed. So I'm hoping that, you know, that's not going to continue anymore. And this was on the fence, on the gutters. There are no roots. The soil is dry. I'm just going to prop that like that and just put it over here and see. I know it's going to root, so we'll just leave it here. I can see though that something weird is going on because it's got these little bumps but inside the leaf, so I don't know if that's like a type of mold or something inside. I have no idea, so we'll see if that gets better on its own. I wish I had more of those bigger pots because I don't. I ran out. I've been using them a lot in other areas, so I don't have more. Okay guys, let's move this for now so I can have space to work. Okay, so I'll show you the big cubic frost. Here it is. She's so pretty. Really pretty plant. So I need new soil. I'm out of soil. I need some. Make a little hole there. And there she is. She should root. Sometimes while I'm rooting, I prefer to use plastic, just because there's no reason why. Maybe because I don't see them as like a permanent arrangement. So maybe that's why I do that. Okay, let me show you this other one. I don't know the name of this one, but this one keeps dropping its leaves left and right. So it does have some roots, so we'll see how it does. See, it's got a lot of leaves. That's what it was doing. That's why I decided to behead her. But we'll just see if she makes it or not. So we're getting still, when it rains a lot. Straight up downpour. But, I don't know. We'll see. Like I said, many of the old plants that I've had already for a while, those are doing just fine. This one, see here? It's just a combination, like I've told you guys earlier. I'm repeating myself because days have passed, you know, when I spoke about something. So I'll just repeat it again. Sorry guys that I repeat myself. But yeah, the combination of the humidity and heat and rain is not good. I mean, it feels really, really, really hot outside. Like an oven, and it's just steamy. That's what it feels like, very steamy, because it rains and then there's humidity and then the sun is just really hot. So I don't know, it's hot. Did I say it was hot? It's hot. Okay, so let's see. This one here doesn't have any roots. That's the same one as the other one, but it was just growing in a different area, so that's why it looks different. Okie dokie. I'm gonna have to do individual ones now because I don't have more pots. Once they root and they're established, then I can do more. This one was just bent over outside, so I just cut it. It just flopped over. I don't know if it flopped over because, you know, of the weather. So, but this one's a pretty, like, easy to care for plant. This one, she's not that finicky. It really sucks that I have to use these little pots, but that's all I have. I have a bunch of these because I beheaded that other plant that just was full of these. Yeah, because they were not looking good, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut them. This is just temporary. This, me just putting them here is very temporary. I don't have anything else right now. I just need to pot them. Oopsie. None of these have roots. The original plant to this I've had for a long time. So hopefully these do well. I don't know how come this hasn't put any roots. It's been sitting there for a while, or yeah. So I don't know how come it hasn't had any roots. So we're just gonna put her here and see what happens. Same plant as those little ones, and from the original plant I just cut all of it off. I just cut all the ones that were growing off because they just were not looking pretty. They were losing a lot of leaves. I hope that you guys are doing well and just coping with life. Life seems pretty weird right now with everything that's going on, you know? It's just, I don't know. It's very weird, but yeah. So that, and I need to search for more pots. Well, I'm just going to continue to do that, guys, and I'll continue to show you other things that I'm doing as I go. It's just my phone. I know it's probably getting really hot, so that's it for now. Let me just show you over here. Go slowly so I don't. Here are all the plants that I just potted, and these are all the ones that I still need to pot. They've been sitting here for quite a while, so they should be potted. And that's what I'm going to do, guys.